Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning up in the camper. I have been really itching to organize in here better. I still, after having this camper for nearly 5 whole years, have not found the appropriate organizational stuff, and I am organizationally challenged. I will admit it. I'm chaos. I know that. I have gotten some new things. I've seen some different things online, tips and tricks on how to organize your kitchen cabinets. As you can see up here, I actually have dish pads that you put on your counter that you can put your dishes out to dry. I have those in front of the glass cabinet so nothing shifts forward and breaks the glass, because I'm terrified of that. I don't want to open the camper and find glass everywhere. I really don't like that they used real glass in these, but because they did, I have to do that. But behind there is utter and complete mess. And there's stuff in there that I need to take out that we don't use. But I did get a couple of things that I'm going to use for organizational stuff, and I will show you those right now. All right, first off, let me find, okay, these right here. Your typical like desktop magazine holders or file folders, or just regular folders, you put them upright in. I have seen people using these for plates, storing them vertically, and you save a lot of space. If I have 2 of these, I can put all my plates in them, and I'm hoping it works out for me, so cross your fingers. So I really got excited. I found these at one of my favorite stores that I've mentioned before, Daiso, because things like this are $2.25 or $2.50 each, so total deal. Okay, next, I got some organizational stuff at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is stepping up their game. They are raising their prices on certain things. Most stuff is, you know, the regular stuff that you're used to there is about $1.25. It goes up to $1.50. Now they have more pricey stuff now, but they have some really good stuff still at the lower price points, and I'm going to show you what I got there. I got these. I don't know if you can see these. These are the little things that you put inside, in between pots and pans, like when you want to stack them, and they're felt so that they don't, if they slip around, they're not going to scrape up your pots and pans, because that's what I'm worried about. I don't want to ruin the coating on my pans, so I wanted some of these. I got 2 of these 3-packs. I think there's 3 sizes in each one, so these will be really great. I have a skillet and 2 pans up here that I really am trying to protect, and I know they slide around a lot, so these will be great. And then I got these, if I can pull them apart. They are little mini shower caddy type things, but I'm going to put them like this down the side. I have, well, you'll see in the bathroom here. This is what our little grid storage with bins looks like. And down the side there, you will see there's some space. Well, I'm going to put these along the side, at least for now, to store stuff upright. Right now, I have some soft side little bins that I made from placemats that I also got at Dollar Tree, and they're soft side, so they collapse a little too much for my liking. I really like them, and I'll probably use them maybe in my cabinet on my side of the bed or something, but in the bathroom I need stuff that I can stack it and it doesn't fall over, so that's what those are going to be for. And then I have one more thing for the kitchen. So anyway, here they are, all stacked nice and neat. And then you can stack these on the top level, just like this, or you can put them on the bottom level. Isn't that cool? And they do have all different colors. These are supposed to look like marble, which I thought this was better, just plain white going up there. They had blue and green and pink and purple and things like that, but this will definitely work for me. So first things first, I'm going to get to work on cleaning out this whole double cabinet right here. The one off to the, there we go. The one off to the side over here, it's a much shallower cabinet. There's just a lot of things in there that I got to get rid of, but I'm going to tackle this one back here first and see how I like it. And if I organize it well enough, maybe some of the stuff over here can go over there, and I can save this just for certain cups or coffees and things like that. So we will get to work and we will see. All right, let's get down to it. The stuff you just saw was actually filmed yesterday. I had to stop I had to get some other stuff done, and I ran out of time. So I am back at it, got my cleaning shirt on, and I'm about to tackle these cabinets right here behind me. So in order to get to the very top of them, I have my step stool, and because I'm short and I can't reach all that stuff. So you will see me start doing this, and I'll probably speed it up, and we will come back and show the finished product at the end. So let's hope that this works. Don't judge me. I have a lot of stuff, and not all of it's going to stay in here. Y'all use these? These are the little parchments that go in your air fryer. They are so handy to have. I always have them in here and at home, just so you have something to go in your air fryer. Let's clean up. Do I need all these pans? I think I do. I even have silicone baking mats. All right, the first thing that's going to go out of my cabinet is this. It is a stacking rack for, I guess, pots, pans, mostly plates. But as you can see, when it sits in the corner, these are open and plates can still slide around. I don't like that. Now for the test. Here's my little stack of the little camping plastic plates. They're melamine, I believe. How cool is that? And I even have room for my Corelle to go in here with them. Yay! But the true test is, are they going to fit this way? I know this fits, so hopefully with the plate sticking up it will still fit. Let's find out. It fits. Now you understand. I have a lot of stuff. I have a regular waffle maker, but I also have another waffle maker in there. But this one's inferior. That one's Texas shaped. I'll show you in a sec. And don't judge us if it's dirty. It's full of dust and yuck. Isn't that cool? Yes, I eat Texas shaped waffles. I am a Texan. All right, now for the pots and pans. For that, I'm getting up here. Jim got me this at some point and it got pushed to the back and I forgot I even had it. See, this is the kind of stuff I gotta get rid of. All right, so I got it organized and it's actually pretty cool and I'm digging it. All that goes up there now is the dish drying mats that I put in front of the doors just to keep anything from dinking against them, you know? And my giant silicone pot holder that I have. But everything else is organized or out of here. So let me take you off of this and I will show you. Okay. Organized. We got regular plates, paper plates. These are plastic, these are Corelle, and there's paper plates. These are for the air fryer, these are to hold paper plates. I got more plastic cutlery. Got my little paper boats for like fries and chicken and things like that that we might cook. And yes, those are Halloween napkins from like 2 years ago. I had a bunch of them. I buy them on clearance because they're super cheap. There's some more plastic bowls, paper bowls, my lovely pans that are nice and neatly stacked and they won't scrape. And up there, I have my other pans that I use. And there's all my bags and, let's see, foil and parchment and everything. And like a silicone mat and a silicone bowl cover right in front of it there. And yeah, that, my friends, looks pretty organized, don't you think? All right, so what do you think? Do you like my organization? It looks 100% better for me. I know where everything is. It's a bit more organized, and if anybody touches it, I will kill them. Not really, but well, all that's left to do, put my drying mats in front of these things, and that way they don't hit the glass. But yeah, I kind of love it. So the next thing is to tackle the bathroom pantry. That one's going to be a bit more of a pain in the butt, because I really have to sort things out and reorganize so much. But once it's done, I'm probably going to be much more happy with it. So we shall see. Cross your fingers. All right, so your girl's in full cleaning mode now. I am tackling this train wreck right here. So I'm going to start pulling stuff out, and then I'm going to organize and put it back. And you will see a little bit of the organization and definitely the finished product, because you saw it when it was at the beginning before I started this mess. So now you're going to see what happens. Sheets. Pillowcase got away. Tons of towels, all sorts of sizes too. I don't even know what all is in here these days. All right, so Reflectix, this goes back over there in the slide, so I'm gonna toss that on the floor because that's exactly where it's gonna go. This is gonna get hung up either in the house or in here because it's Halloween themed, fall themed, you know. So yeah, and I have one with spiders too. So yeah, they'll get hung up. These are garment bags to wash stuff. I don't even know. Oh no, they say mesh produce bags. Interesting. Don't even know why I had them. Don't know where I got them. See, this is the problem. I got too much crap in here. This many soaps for the bathroom. I guess I was burying them way in the back and then not realizing I still had them. And I've got summertime stuff. I've got one called Ghoul Friend, and then these are just kind of regular smells and stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take some of these in the house. Method foaming hand cleanser, more soap, yeah. I don't know why I have a Bath & Body Works bag in here. Going to show you what it looks like with almost everything removed. I'm leaving the first aid kit on top. It's actually adhered to this metal grid that I put in here. So, a couple of hangers. It's a very deep cabinet, very tall. You can hang stuff in here, or you can do what I did and put a little grid shelf in here. I found that on Amazon, and then I got the bins separate that go in it. And I just put some hooks back here on the wall. They're adhered to the wall, and then this just fit right over it, and it doesn't go anywhere. That way it doesn't move in transit. So I thought that was a pretty good idea. Now I'm going to get down to it and start sorting, and then I will show you maybe little bits during my sort and my organization, and then I will definitely show you the finished product. Okay, I do believe I did it. It is way more organized, and I can get to everything now, and I know where everything is. Yes, I still have my insulated bag, the first aid kit, and my hat. That's just where they go. I can find those easily. All right, next, this bin right here has sheets and pillowcases in it. Right next to it, right there, is our one of our rain ponchos, and just a reusable bag over there from Bath & Body Works. I like to have big bags in case I need to go to the laundry room. So those are nice to have. And then down here, I'm way more organized. These little bins right here, I got the Dollar Tree, and they are organizing all sorts of, let's see, what all do we have in there? We have contact lens stuff, and behind it is an eyeglass case, and soaps and razors and all that sort of stuff. And right there is our other headlamp. And then these lovely green bins right here, those are so awesome. They're also from IKEA. I use a couple of the larger ones in the fridge. These are perfect to go right beside this grid storage thing. And back there, I have all my soaps, my shampoo, hairbrush, shower cap, all that good stuff. In this one, I've just got handy wipes. I've got some thread and some needles, some emery boards and stuff like that, and some cotton balls. So yeah, it's way more organized than it was. And honestly, I quite like it this way. It looks, well, okay, to some it may look messy or chaotic, but I have a lot of stuff in here and it's organized. It's not going to fly out. It's not going to get all disheveled and travel. And that's the main thing. I have everything I need and it is right where I need it. So I kind of like it. Oh, I am finally done. There's a few things I got to take in the house, but that's about it for today. We hoped you enjoyed this video, maybe got some ideas for storage or just got some sort of entertainment out of it, because I enjoyed making this video. It was something I needed to do for the trailer and figured why not film it. So anyway, if you'd like to be and you haven't already, please hit that button and subscribe to us. Give us a big thumbs up if you like the video. And I think that's about it. I'm exhausted now. All right, for Jim and myself, we thank you very much for watching. It means the world to us. And we will see you out there.